Cryptocurrencies have exploded in value. From humble beginnings in 2009, when Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency in the world today that touched a market capitalization of more than $1 trillion towards the end of February, was created and launched as the first decentralized cryptocurrency. Since 2012, Bitcoin has gained more than 193,000% in value and accelerated the launch of hundreds of different types of cryptocurrencies. By 2026, the market size for cryptocurrencies is expected to cross $1 trillion in value. Today, we bring you the best new cryptocurrency startups to watch. But before we begin, do us a solid by liking the video and hitting the subscribe button. Cryptocurrency startup companies have boomed in the last few years, and some have grown at a rapid pace and become big names. According to a reliable source, many cryptocurrency startups started around 2016, the majority of which are for-profit and work in financial services, payment processing, and software. Many cryptocurrency startups will likely fail. It's a well-known fact that most small businesses fail in the first few years, and cryptocurrency businesses are risky to get involved in. In fact, many banks do not allow companies that deal with cryptocurrency to open bank accounts with them. There's little doubt that crypto-related ventures are some of the hottest items in the technology sector. Many big companies who want to integrate revolutionary new technology into their platforms or just want some exposure to the industry are funding crypto startups. Big tech names such as Alphabet Incorporated and Amazon.com Incorporated are part of the list. Along with payments giant PayPal Holdings Incorporated, hedge funds and retail investors are jumping on the crypto train as well. Let's get into it. Number 10. CoinSwitchCuber. CoinSwitchCuber is a cryptocurrency exchange primarily facilitating crypto transactions in India. In late April, the firm raised $25 million in funding from Tiger Global Management LLC, the New York-based hedge fund with $43 billion in assets under management. With the latest funding, the company is now valued at over $500 million. Scott Schleifer, a partner at the hedge fund, has told news media in India that the fund is excited to partner with a firm that is well-positioned to cash in on the crypto boom among retail investors in the country. Previously, the crypto exchange had also raised funding from Paradigm, an investment firm founded by Fred Ursum. Ursum is one of the Coinbase Global's founders, the largest crypto exchange in the world. Coinbase Global Incorporated went public in April in one of the biggest IPOs of the year so far, ending the first day of trading with a market cap of $86 billion. Coinbase Global Incorporated has earned bullish ratings from many investment advisories in recent weeks, even as crypto stocks tumble with the fall in the price of Bitcoin. Number 9. Bitwise. Bitwise Asset Management is a cryptocurrency index fund manager offering clients exposure to crypto investments. Recently, the fund raised $70 million in a Series B funding round led by big names in the hedge fund industry such as Stanley Druckenmiller, who runs Duquesne Capital, and David McCormick, the CEO of Bridgewater Associates. The crypto fund manages more than $1.2 billion in assets and has plans for aggressive expansion in the coming months. CEO Hunter Horsley trying to double the size of his team by the end of the year. The backing of institutions like Duquesne Capital, one of the leading investment firms in the U.S., with more than $3 billion in assets under management, will help crypto-related offerings gain wider acceptance. A top holding of Duquesne Capital is Microsoft Corporation, which is also bullish on the crypto industry. Number 8. Fetchai. Fetchai Limited is an artificial intelligence company that markets AI solutions for blockchain networks. In late March, the company launched a new version of its mainnet network with 30 validators that included Outlier Ventures, Forbes, and Infstones, among others. The company has managed to raise more than $26 million in 3 funding rounds. GDA Group and Outlier Ventures have contributed to those rounds. The company is based in the United Kingdom and is placed 8th on our list of 10 best cryptocurrency startups to watch. Number 7. Provenance. Provenance is a company that markets supply chain and product transparency. It operates software that uses blockchain, mobile, and other open data sources to provide users with the origin, tracking, and impact of products. It has raised more than $1.2 million in funding so far over 5 rounds. Digital Currency Group and Working Capital Fund are some of the biggest names that have invested in the company. The company is based in San Francisco and is ranked 7th on our list of 10 best cryptocurrency startups to watch. A company that operates on a similar business model to Provenance is MongoDB Incorporated. The software company providing commercial support for source-available databases, MongoDB Incorporated Incorporated recently beat market predictions on earnings per share and revenue for the first quarter of 2021. Number 6. Solvecare. Solvecare is a company that markets a decentralized blockchain platform for healthcare and related services. The firm links patients to health professionals and coordinates all kinds of benefits, care packages, payments within the system using a smart blockchain contract. It has so far managed to win the backing of several big insurance companies, as the platform of the firm can be used to settle different kinds of insurance claims quickly and cheaply. The company has so far raised $30 million in funding over 2 rounds. Another company making waves in the healthcare sector with the innovative use of new technology is Teladoc Health Incorporated. This telehealth stock has seen a flurry of hedge fund interest in recent months, as the global health situation lockdowns helped the company grow dramatically, with people opting to consult health professionals online instead of making the trip to a doctor. Number 5. Blockchain.com. Blockchain.com is a cryptocurrency explorer, wallet, and exchange platform. The company has managed to raise more than $490 million in funding so far over 6 rounds, with the latest round bringing in $300 million in late March. The company is one of the largest pure plays on crypto in the internet market, boasting a user base of over 50 million. The company is based in London and is placed 5th on our list of 10 best cryptocurrency startups to watch. One of the lead investors in the company is Google Ventures, a fund backed by Alphabet Incorporated, the California-based technology company that consistently backs the rise of crypto, but has not invested heavily in it yet. Alphabet Incorporated is gearing up for the launch of a retail store as it bids to rival competitors like Apple. Number 4. chippercash. chippercash is a financial technology company that facilitates cross-border peer-to-peer payments. The startup has, so far, raised more than $152 million in funding over 5 rounds, with the latest $100 million raised at the end of last month. Fintech is one of the fastest-growing business segments in Africa, and chippercash is already serving customers in many African states, including Ghana, Uganda, Nigeria, Tanzania, Rwanda, South Africa, and Kenya. The firm has plans for expansion into the UK as well. Amazon.com Incorporated owner Jeff Bezos has invested in the company through his personal fund, Bezos Expeditions. Although Amazon.com Incorporated is still yet to fully embrace cryptocurrencies, the company is seeking a foothold in the crypto-related fintech realm. Number 3. Springlabs. Springlabs is a company that is building a platform that will enable big financial institutions to share data between themselves without compromising on user identities securely. The company has so far raised more than $68 million in funding over 3 rounds, with the latest $30 million raised around in late April. Just recently, consumer credit reporting agency TransUnion revealed that it is invested in Springlabs as it seeks to explore new models for user profiling in banking services. The endorsement by TransUnion, a company with a market capitalization of more than $20 billion, will boost the profile of Springlabs and bring in more investors to the company. TransUnion invested in the startup after lengthy discussions with Springlabs founder and CEO Adam Juan. Number 2. Netkey. Netkey is a company that provides digital verification technology. The company has raised more than $3.5 million so far in 2 funding rounds, led by investors such as O'Reilly Alpha Tech Ventures. Netkey aims to be the leading provider of tools that will enable blockchain-based currencies like Bitcoin to expand their reach worldwide. The products marketed by the company comply with anti-money laundering rules laid down by international bodies. It is ranked 2nd on our list of 10 best cryptocurrency startups to watch. A similarly good investment in the cybersecurity sector is CrowdStrike Holdings Incorporated, the cloud workload and endpoint security company. CrowdStrike Holdings Incorporated is expected to benefit from a new plan by U.S. President Biden to pour hundreds of billions of dollars into American technology firms to protect against increasing cyber threats to ordinary Americans. Number 1. Bitpanda. Coming up in the first position on our list of 10 best cryptocurrency startups to watch is Bitpanda. It is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that deals in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, as well as gold and stocks. It is one of the most valuable startups based out of Europe and raised more than $170 million in funding in late March at a valuation of over $1 billion. The company already operates in Austria, France, Spain, Turkey, Italy, and Poland. It is different from other crypto exchanges as it deals in stocks and gold in addition to digital assets like crypto. There you have it, guys. Do you know any crypto startups you think should have been included? Let us know in the comments section down below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and also turn on the notifications icon to stay updated with our latest videos.